Check out our newest feature release. This one is on our brand new calendar view. So what is this new calendar view? Revolutionize your appointment management with our upgraded calendar view, including a range of features to streamline scheduling for ultimate efficiency. Why this new feature matters and how it's going to help you and your business. The Quick Month View ensures effortless navigation through future dates. And now you can bid farewell to individual user management. Now we have select multiple users simultaneously, and you can even view their appointments. Enjoy the convenience of the new multi-calendar view. To access this Quick Month View, you're going to go to Calendars in your side menu. And then in the top menu, once that opens up, make sure that you're on the calendar link and look over to the side on the right, and you're now going to see the month calendar. You'll also love the new multi-user selection. So go ahead and click on the user to view multiple users' calendars all at one time. Also in the multi-calendar view, you're going to be able to click on calendars to choose the calendars you want to specifically view. You'll also be able to click on groups to choose the calendar group you would like to view. The other thing that I absolutely love is the new color coding for more clarity. So you can now select specific colors by clicking on the button as shown. You can easily select colors here. After clicking on the light bulb button, this window is going to appear where you can select your desired colors based on what you need for your calendar. You're also going to love the intuitive icons that are now added. Now you'll be able to recognize events instantly with the new and intuitive icons for enhanced events. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.